Good morning, everybody. I am enjoying my vacation. Um, Came out this morning and sat on the balcony, enjoyed people jogging and walking, all the little lovebirds and the couples, and older people just sitting around having some breakfast. All I know is God is an awesome God. Because if you're looking at what I'm filming, and you see that beautiful ocean out there, and you have to know that man didn't have anything to do with it. You have to know that nobody but this man called Jesus could ever give you such beauty, such pleasure, such joy. All right, everybody, get one last view, and I'm out of here. About to go and enjoy my day. See ya.